Today we're going to practice our letters by just saying the letter names. So here we go. I'm going to hold them up. You say them. Good. Okay, I want to remind you of one thing, and I'm going to show you that before because I'm afraid I'll forget it. My mind is like that some days. But look down here. If I want to write a word, as I'm writing in my mind, I think, I want to write a G. Whoop, that didn't go so good. G, a U, M. I wrote that. I had to remember the names of the letters so that in my mind I could think, oh, I want to write a G, I want to write a U, I want to write an M. If I'm trying to read a word, then I have to tap out the sounds. Ready? G, g, gum. That's what you have to do. You write the sounds, so you need to know the letters to be able to write and to write them correctly. And then you need to know how the sounds, and you need to know how to put those sounds together to read them. All right, let's practice our sight words, and then we're going to practice tapping some words. And let's see how we can go. Ready? Here we go. T-O, 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 two, two. I went to a stream and went fishing yesterday. I had a lot of fun. A-N-D, A-N-D, A-N-D spells and. And the word and, remember, it puts two things together, two or more things together. Okay? Let's see. Mr. Almoney and I went down to the stream to fish. We didn't catch anything, but it was nice to be outside. Here we go. T-H-E, T-H-E, T-H-E spells the. Remember when we say this word, the, you have to have your tongue has to come out to make it sound correctly. The. Good. C-A-N, C-A-N, C-A-N spells can. Can. I can do my sight words. I can read my sight words. I know you can do it. L-I-K-E, 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 like, like. I like to be on the video with the boys and girls. H-A-S, H-A-S. H-A-S spells has. Has. It's hard to think of a sentence. Let's see. My grandson Benny has a big bicycle. A spells A. This is the letter A, but when you're reading in a sentence or a story and you come across this letter by itself, it is the word or some people say A. So either way is correct. In school, most of the time we say A, but some people say it the other way. All right, let's put some words up here. I have my little cheat sheet to help me. Here we go. Let's tap it out. Uh, uh, cut. Cut. The word is cut. Good. All right, let's change it around and let's make this word something I hope that you guys don't do. Tap it with me. Ib, ib, fib, fib. Good. Fib. Do another one. I lost the letter here, and I know I have it. Oh, here we go. Oh, here it is. It's upside down. I couldn't see it. All right, here we go. Add, add, had, had. The word is had. Good. Do another one. All right, tap it with me. O, og, o, og, log, log. Good. Ready? W, et, w, et, wet, wet. Good. The word is wet. Now we're going to do one more, and then we're going to change the vowel in the center of the word. We're going to leave everything else the same, but we're going to change the vowel and make new words. And today we're only going to do real words. Ready? Tap it with me. At, hat, hat. All right, let's change the vowel. We'll take the A away and we will put the I. Now it's going to, in the middle, say the I sound. Ready? It, hit. It went from hat to hit. All right, let's change. And now we have the ah sound in the middle. Ready? Ot, ot, hot, hot. It went from hit to hot. One more. Let's do one more for today. We're going to put the sound in the middle. And now it's going to be hot, hot. The word is hut. So with just changing one letter, we had hot, hit. Oh, sorry, we started with hat, changed it to the I for hit, the O for the O instead of the I for hot, and the U instead of the O for hut. We had hat, hit, hot, and hut, just changing one letter. Have a good day, guys.